Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this lesson, we will practice reading simple sentences with rhyming words. Remember, words rhyme when they have the same final sound. Are you ready to learn about sentences with rhyming words? Then let's read. Say the words after me. The man is in the van. Now it's your turn to read. Say the words as you see the red dot under it. The man is in the van. Listen to the final sounds of these words. Man, van. Do man and van rhyme? Yes, they do. Man and van have the same final sound. Repeat the words. The cub is in the tub. Now it's your turn. The cub is in the tub. Listen to the final sounds of these words. Cub, tub. Do cub and tub rhyme? Yes, they do. Cub and tub are rhyming words. Repeat what I say. The frog hops. Now it's your turn to read. The frog hops. Listen to the final sounds of these words. Frog, hop. Do frog and hop rhyme? No, they don't. Frog and hop do not have the same final sound. Say the words after me. My bed is red. Now it's your turn. My bed is red. Now listen to the final sounds of these words. Bed, red. Do bed and red rhyme? Yes, they do. Bed and red are rhyming words. Repeat the words. Kim sings for the king. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. Kim sings for the king. Listen to the final sounds of these words. Sing, king. Do sing and king rhyme? Yes, they do. Sing and king have the same final sound. Repeat what I say. The kit fell into the pit. Now it's your turn to read the words. The kit fell into the pit. Listen to the final sounds of these words. Kit, pit. Do kit and pit rhyme? Yes, they do. Kit and pit are rhyming words. Say the words after me. Jill eats some hot buns. Now it's your turn to read. Jill eats some hot buns. Now listen to the final sounds of these words. Hot, bun. Do hot and bun rhyme? No, they don't. Hot and bun are not rhyming words. Say the words after me. Rob has a new job. Now it's your turn. Rob has a new job. Listen to the final sounds of these words. Rob, job. Do Rob and job rhyme? Yes, they do. Rob and job have the same final sound. Repeat the words. He puts the tin in the bin. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. He puts the tin in the bin. Listen to the final sounds of these words. Bin, tin. Do bin and tin rhyme? Yes, they do. Bin and tin are rhyming words. Say the words after me. This is a jar of jam. Now it's your turn to read the words. This is a jar of jam. Listen to the final sounds of these words. Jar, jam. Do jar and jam rhyme? No, they don't. Jar and jam are not rhyming words. Repeat what I say. I miss my mom's kiss. Now it's your turn to read. I miss my mom's kiss. Now listen to the final sounds of these words. Miss, kiss. Do miss and kiss rhyme? Yes, they do. Miss and kiss have the same final sound. Say the words after me. The cat sat on the mat. Now it's your turn to read. The cat sat on the mat. Now listen to the final sounds of these words. Cat, mat. Do cat and mat rhyme? Yes, they do. Cat and mat are rhyming words. Great job in reading, children! And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe.